Guys, the thing that AI is not going to replace, I'm going to estimate for at least 10 years. I personally, if I was to put money on it, I don't think it'll ever replace it. But there's people that are like human to human relationships are going to be replaced by nano robots. I just don't see it happening. It's consistently one of the top subjects discussed at ChatGPT is help with human relationships, therapy, interpersonal relationships. Relationships are just a part of the human existence. I personally don't think it's going anywhere. So as a business owner, where we need to be thinking is, where does AI stop and then plant there? Build a castle and with a big moat and live there. Human relationships. How can I get more of them? You need to be obsessed for the next year to leverage the tools that you have in front of you to meet as many as humans as possible. Shake their hand, have a sense of urgency that somebody in your market is using AI better than you, and whereas you're maybe meeting one human relationship, like one connection a week, because they're leveraging AI better than you, they're meeting with 5 every week. And so at the end of a year, you met with 52 humans. You used to have like 100 people in your database that you have like a working relationship with. Now you have 150. Meanwhile, Agent A, or maybe I should say Agent X, it sounds more compelling. Agent X is meeting with 5 people a week. 5 times 52 is 260. Yeah, I think I did that right. 260 human relationships. Sounds like you're still figuring things out, is that right? They love that because suddenly they're like, yeah, they think they're getting off the phone with you. They're like, yeah, I'm just figuring things out, and you feel them backing away. And that's when you say, perfect. That's what I specialize in. I specialize in working with people that are still figuring it out. And there's a few things that I have learned over the years with people that are still figuring it out. You waste so much time wondering what you could do, when you could do it, how you could do it, how much you can afford, what that looks like, the process. You casually Google or ChatGPT questions and you're trying to piece it together. And every single time I meet with one of my clients and I sit with them for 30 to 45 minutes, I give you a very clear roadmap so that you are empowered with certainty on what is likely the largest financial transaction of your entire life. I provide you with the clarity that you need to be able to accomplish your goal that you just shared with me. Now, Mr. Smith, I like to do these appointments Wednesday afternoons. I also like to do them Saturday mornings. However, I can be flexible with regards to your schedule. What's a day that works better for you so that we can get you the clarity that you need? Leave them alone out of fear of messing it up, when actually we should be more motivated, and I've said this in some of the trainings, we should be more motivated by serving people and educating people and empowering them. That should be what we're motivated by, not getting them to like us. If my service and my desire to serve them well and empower them and educate them and strongly recommend meeting to go over it, if my serving them scares them off, let them go. Let them go. Holding on to these fake friendships of leads that were nice to us every time we call is a complete waste of their time and yours. And honestly, if we're being honest, it's really about our ego. We finally got somebody to like us. My emotional need to feel accepted was met today because Johnny answered the phone and wasn't rude to me. Screw that, right? Who cares? We don't need fake friends. We are here.
An agent where they go to an appointment, they come back and oh, that person's my best.
The urgency that you hear in my voice is 2008 to 2011 resurgence. It's the same thing. In 2011, not everybody, but a lot of agents over the 3 years left the industry. They weren't paying their bills. It was hard. Because of that, I kept my license, I kept selling. And in 2011, I sold 120 homes that year by myself. Month 1 through month 9, I had sold about 90, okay? And through those 9 months, the momentum I created in my market, suddenly my friends and family, hey Barry, I'm thinking about getting back in the industry. Sure, why don't you come meet with me? Hey Barry, I see you're selling 5 houses a week sometimes. Can you talk to me about selling my home? Suddenly I had momentum. And then when everybody came back into the business early 2012, I had built such activity and attention in my local market. My career today is still feasting off of the decisions that I made in 2011. So when we talk about database, when we talk about working it, it's not a topic that normally we get out of bed and are, I'm excited to talk about.